All right, folks, we have a nice little portable scooter here. Probably one of the lightest portable scooter you're going to have on the market today. This is called the EvRider Gypsy portable scooter. This is a four-wheel portable scooter by EvRider, and it's called the Gypsy. Here's what's nice about it. Total weight of the scooter, 37 pounds. That's all it is. 37 pounds. If you take the 4-pound battery pack out, you have 33 pounds. So 33 pounds of scooter without the battery pack inside. With the battery pack, you're at 37 pounds, okay? This little scooter here has a weight capability of 250 pounds. It has a seat that's 13 inches wide by 9 inches deep. No back. It has a little contoured back here, but there's no back. That's just the way the scooter is built to keep the weight down. This scooter has a distance of up to 10 miles. So what that means is, it depends what kind of surface you're on. If you're going uphill, the weight of the user, up to 10 miles. It has a lithium battery in here that's easy to recharge. These lithium batteries charge twice as fast as your regular batteries. That is very nice. The tires on the scooter are solid. They're 5-inch tires, okay? And the back is probably a little bit bigger than the front. I think the front is 5-inch, the back is a little bit bigger. These are solid tires. The tiller right here, this is called the tiller. The tiller is adjustable. You see the yellow handle here? So you just pull it out and you can adjust it down. Actually, it only has one position. Okay, so the reason it's the yellow handle is here is to pull it out, and when you want to transport the scooter, you would drop it down this way. Okay, so it only has one position. You can see how the wheels turn. This scooter here, when you want to make it go forward, you use this little lever right here with your fingers, okay? Right here it's forward. If you want to go reverse, there's a little switch. Pull the switch down, and now you go in reverse, okay? Back forward, put it back on the switch on the forward position, and now you're going forward, okay? This scooter has a top speed of 4 miles an hour. The length of this scooter is about 33 inches long. It's only 16 and a half inches, let's just say 17 just to make it simple, but 16 and a half inches wide, okay? So it's a real narrow scooter. So this is a scooter for someone who's got a little bit of dexterity. You need to get to the airport, you need to go to Disney. You need something to help you get from A to B. And remember, this is not, there's no back on the seat. The scooter's built the way it is here, just so that we keep the weight down. Also with this scooter, when you're sitting on here, you can put your feet over here, like this. That's what these bars are for, right over here. Not on the fenders, because you'll break this little plastic cap, which probably most people will do anyway. They're just there for cosmetic purpose. Let me show you how to fold this scooter down so you have an idea what it looks like when it's folded, okay? So the first thing I want to do is I want to bring the seat down. There's a yellow handle back here. If I pull it and I push the seat forward, now the seat is locked, okay? The next thing I want to do, of course, probably should pull the key out. I'm going to pull the key out right here. Put the key over here. I'm going to push this over here, out, push it down, okay? And also the scooter, if you lift this little door right here, it folds in. And now you can see the handlebar kind of goes into the seat. The seat has a little crease right here. The handlebar goes right in there like this. So now your total weight, the way it's sitting there, is 37 pounds. So you have a handle back here. There's a handle back here, as you can see. This is the bottom of your scooter. This is the side view. This is the back view. This is the front view. So this is 37 pounds. Okay? Very neat, actually. Very neat. I'm amazed some of these engineers. So I'm going to put it back together, pull the handle, push it back forward, so the front, before we do that, let's put it back together. Let me give you the length folded. So the total length of the scooter folded is about from front to back, 29 inches. And the highest part of your scooter is going to be 12 inches. So 12 inches, and from front to back, 29 inches, okay? The scooter is only 16 and a half inches wide, so say 17 inches. So that's your measurements there, folks. So if you put it back together, you will pull the yellow handle out, snap it, open the front up, put it down. You'll take the yellow handle back here. Now remember, last time I was trying to push, you have to pull forward, not backward. Push it open, okay? So that's that. And then put your key back in the ignition of this scooter. In case you want to see, is right over here. This is where you put your key in. Also with this scooter, you can see you have a speed button from 0 to fast, from rabbit to turtle, I should say turtle to rabbit. That's your 4 miles an hour. And you can see your battery gauge here. You have red, orange, and green lights. As you're using the scooter, you will lose the green lights. As you're 3/4 empty, you will lose the orange light. If you're down to just the 2 red lights, probably need to get it home and charge it, okay? When you charge the scooter, you're going to take your charger right here that comes with your scooter and only use the charger that comes with your scooter. These are lithium battery chargers, okay? Only use the charger that comes with your scooter, okay? So you'll have to plug in this, and make sure that plug is all the way in the back. And then this plug right here goes right here on your battery pack. There's a little cap that you can pull off. Also, what you can do is, if you want to, I'm going to pull the battery pack so you can see it. There's that little cap right there. So you would take your charger cord and you would plug it right into here. And you can take the battery pack in the house and charge it in the house, okay? So you don't have, and this battery pack is Airline approved. So if you're going to transport this scooter on an Airline, this is already approved, okay? So it's already approved for Airline transportation. So when you put the battery pack, as I said earlier, you see the slots have to go towards the front. So if you slide the battery pack from the back like this, it drops in there very nicely, okay? One more thing about the scooter, you notice how it's not going anywhere? If you want to push this scooter instead of lifting it, you would turn the power off, pull the key out. You see this little lever right here? If I lift that lever, what happens now, it's in freewheel. I'm not saying it rolls easily, but it does roll. It does roll fairly easily. When you're done though, folks, do not forget, I get this call so many times. People travel and they leave the lever up. Then they go to put their scooter in and it's blinking and it's not going and it's blinking and they don't have a clue. What you have to do is put it back down in gear. But even after you put it in gear, it may not work. As you can see, this one doesn't work. You have to reset the computer. So you have to take the key out, put the key back in, and now you're not going to have any blinking light, and now you can go forward or reverse. That's forward, actually, okay? So folks, let's recap what we have here. We have the Gypsy scooter by EvRider. This is a foldable, portable scooter. This scooter, folks, is total weight of the scooter is 37 pounds. If you take this out, which comes out very easily, a lot of them are hard to come out. This is 4 pounds, so if you do it without this, it's 33 pounds. Most people can do that, okay? The maximum weight on your scooter is 250 pounds. The top distance you'll get is about up to 10 miles, and we've told you that earlier. It depends what kind of surface you're on. This is not going to be for your backyard. This is not going to be for extreme hills. This is going to be flat surfaces. It only has a limited amount of power, plenty of power to pull you around. But it is a small, portable scooter It folds up in a really compact package. Total weight, as I said, is 37 pounds or 33 pounds if you take the battery pack. Solid tires all the way around. You have a gauge that tells you about your how your batteries are doing. You have a speed dial from rabbit to turtle or turtle to rabbit. Your forward and reverse are here. Reverse, you just hit the button and you're back here using the same control. This folds down, the seat folds down. The seat is 13 by 9 inches. You have a neutral lever in the back. It comes with your charger and it comes with your owner's manual. Folks, this is a really, really lightweight, nice little scooter if you like everything about it. We cannot get a bigger seat. We cannot, what you see is what you get. This is the Gypsy by EvRider portable scooter. So this is the Gypsy by EvRider foldable portable scooter. Couple things with this scooter. If you're going to turn in a complete circle and you have your feet here, you may want to put your feet back here, because when you turn a complete circle, the fender, your feet will stop the wheel from turning. You see that? So if you're going to turn in a complete circle, put your feet over here. So that's your turning radius right here. The best it's going to turn is this much right here. So top speed is 4 miles an hour. When you let go, it stops automatically. It has an electromagnetic brake in the motor itself. It's actually not bad. I thought with a small seat like this I would be uncomfortable, but actually just the way they have the back, which pushes back against you a little bit, it's actually better than I thought it would be. It rides really smooth. It has no noise, no squeaking, and so it rides really good. So it went through my grass with no problems. I'm not saying you can use it in the grass, just you're going to have to determine what kind of grass you can use it in, okay? It's not made for the grass unless your grass is perfectly cut and it's nice and flat, because this is only 16.5 inches wide. So this is the Gypsy scooter by EvRider. As I mentioned earlier, it's only 16.5 inches wide by about 33 inches long. When you fold it all the way down, shorter, it's about 29 inches. It takes away like 4 inches. One thing I forgot to mention earlier, I said the tiller is not adjustable. It is adjustable up and down. There's a little handle here, so you can go all the way up to here. So that, actually you can see better. Or you can keep it down like it was in the video, which I didn't realize you could do that, but you can bring it all the way up. That's adjustable. You have a speed regulator here. You have a stereo plug as a key, and very well constructed. Solid tires all the way around. The seat, as I said, is 13 by 9, but I'm 180 some pounds, 6 foot tall, and they had no problem with me on it. So if you're looking for something real nice that you can take places, it only weighs 37 pounds or 33 pounds if you take the battery pack out. This would be something to consider. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.